Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do next questions of chapter What is democracy? Why democracy? In our previous slides, we read various questions, discussed various questions about democracy's merits and demerits. Today we are going to do question number 9, that what is the broader meaning of democracy? The most common form of democracy in today's world is through people's elected representatives. We need to turn the broader meaning of democracy. Sometimes we use democracy for organizations other than the government. Now let us read about the various statements. We are a very democratic family where a decision has to be taken. We all sit together and arrive at a consensus. My opinion matter as much my father's. Second, I don't like teachers who don't allow students to speak, ask question in the class. I would like to have teachers with democratic temperament. In our first statement, we read about the democratic family where everybody's opinion is equal. Second, it is the example of democratic classroom where students should have the right to ask question and participate everywhere. Next, one leader and his family members decide everything in this party. How can they talk of democracy? This is not democracy. True democracy will come to the country when, only when, no one will go hungry to bed. Yes, this that only then there will be a true democracy when no one will go hungry to bed. In a democracy, every citizen must be able to play equal role in decision making. For this, you don't need just an equal right to vote. Every citizen needs to have equal information, basic education, equal resources, and a lot of commitment. Next question. Compare the features of democratic and non-democratic government. Let us see. First, we will talk about the democratic government. People can choose their ruler or change them. Yes, we know. We people choose our leader in democracy, and after 5 years, after a fixed tenure, if this government is not accountable, we can change that government. Citizens enjoy various freedoms like freedom of expression and freedom to form associations. Major decisions were taken by the elected leaders only. A democratic government is based on free and fair elections. In a democracy, each adult citizen has one vote of right and each vote has the same value. Now, let us read more about the non-democratic government. People cannot choose their leaders or change them. They people don't have the freedom. They cannot criticize the government and can't form associations. People may not have elected representatives. Example we can see in the Pakistan. There is no free and fair election. Example as in China. Only those who are the member of Chinese Communist Party, they are allowed to contest election and only they can form the government. Everyone may not have right to vote. Its example we can see in Saudi Arabia where women is not having right to vote. Now let us do the next question, that why did the institutional revolutionary party in Mexico never lose any election till 2000? That what was the reason that one party is not losing election? The institutional revolutionary party in Mexico was very strong in till 2000. Why? There are many reasons behind it. Until 2000, every election was won by this party in Mexico. Opposition parties did contest elections but never managed to win. All those who were employed in government offices, they had to attend its party meetings. Teachers of government schools, they used to force the parents that they will have to vote into PRI. Media largely ignored the activities of opposition parties except to criticize them. Sometimes the polling booths were shifted from one place to another and in the last minute, which made it difficult for the people to cast their votes. The PRI spent a large sum of money in the campaign for its candidate. In this way, this party used dirty tricks to win the election. Thank you. Chapter is completed here.